Hello everybody, welcome back to Math Lab, and today we're doing order of operations, or in other words, BEDMAS Part 2. Last time we covered different things. This time we're going to cover other real life examples and just going to refine over the topic. As always, SEBA Math Lab, and we're doing it again. Well, what is BEDMAS? BEDMAS is the order of operations, like what goes first and what goes second. So, as we know, what goes first is brackets. So, like this. And then what goes second is exponents. So, we put some exponents up here on the top right corner. Then what goes third and fourth, which these are the same. It's just whatever goes first in the problem takes it. So, like division and multiplication. So, let's say it's 6 plus 4 times 2. And then divided by 2. So we don't do 2 divided by 2 first. We just do 4 times 2 because it's in front. So that goes 8, then 8 divided by 2, which equals 2. 4, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And then 4 plus 6 equals 10. All right? And then addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, the same thing as division and multiplication. They don't have an order. Whatever comes first does it. All right, guys? Well, now that I've explained what is BEDMAS, let me give you guys an example or how to do it. As I said, BEDMAS is just doing the operations in order. So, let me give you guys an example. 6 minus 4 brackets 2 times exponent 2 to the power 2 times 3. So, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equals 2. And then we do 2 with the exponents. So 2 and the exponent 2. So 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. Then we do 4 times 3, which equals to 12. That's an example for you guys. Here's some real life examples. Some real life examples are when you're going shopping and you need discounts, like coupons. When you're splitting restaurant bills with your friends or anyone that you meet. Or you're writing computer code. That's another way you could use some real life examples with BEDMAS. See, BEDMAS is all around you. You just need to know where to find it. Question time. Answer these questions in order. All right, guys? So, the first question is 6 plus 15. Let's bracket this. Divided by 3. The next question is 15 minus 3 times brackets 4 minus 2 to the power of 2. All right, guys? Then the third and final question is, this is the hard one, 15 brackets 15 divided by 3 plus 4 times, this is brackets, all right, guys? 4 times, and inside those brackets is another bracket, 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. All right, guys? Now pause the video and give it a good try. Good job, guys. I know you guys definitely got this question right. So the answer to the first question is, so 6 plus 15 is 21. And then divided by 3, well, that's quite simple. 21 divided by 3 is 7. The next question is 15 minus 3 times 4 minus 2 to the power of 2. So we first do 4 minus 2 because it's the first thing in the question, which equals 2. Then 2 to the power of 2 equals 4. Then now we do 4 times, then this. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then 12 minus 15 minus 12 equals to 3. That's the answer to question 2. So 3 And then this is 7. All right, guys, let me just clear and put an eraser. And then now let's do the last question. 15 divided by 3. Let me just do that one more time. 15. Let me just erase this. All right, guys. This is the harder question. So, brackets, 15 divided by 3. Okay? Plus 4. And then brackets around the 4. All right, guys? Another bracket. Times 2 to the power of 2. And then minus 1. Guys, this is quite simple because I've already taught you guys how to do it. It's just a longer question, all right? So let's start from the start. So what's 15 divided by 3? 15 divided by 3 equals to 5, all right? Then we do the next brackets. 4 times 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. So let's do 2 to the power of 2. That's 4. Then we go down 4 times, and then minus 1 and plus. Plus. So we first do 4 minus 1, which equals to 3. And then it's 4 times 3. All right, guys? And then 4 times 3 equals 12. All right? Then we do 5. We bring all the way down. And 5 plus 12 equals to 17. So the final answer equals 17. Great job, guys. I know you guys definitely got it right. Summary. Today we learned about BEDMAS Part 2. Like and subscribe if you want more math mysteries, because today we learned a lot. And make sure to check the comment section down below, and I'll be putting more links for more YouTube videos. All right? Bye-bye.